Hello everyone, you all guys are listening me on Unacademy online platform. This is an evergreen topic and always important for examinations. Even UPSC also asked earlier a question on the base of aspartame. And today, as you know guys, according to diets or habit of modern scenarios, as the people are going to increase their own weight, obesity, diabetes, hypertensions, many issues are very common in the present scenario. Somehow people are going to attract toward alternative to sugars. So what are the alternative of sugars and many options alternative to sugars? Is it good or bad? All many discussion I will do in this entire lesson. So this lesson is connecting with the science and tech, and you people are listening me on lesson number 31. As you know very well, like my all the science and tech environment based all contemporary issues are very important issues that are relevant for your coming year examination. I developed and even upload on this YouTube platform. So let us start with this topic, and before going to start this topic I would like to introduce myself. My name is Dr. Ravi Agrahari. I have done my Ph.D. from IIT Delhi. I am a director of Purvanchal IAS, Gorakhpur, where I am providing with the face-to-face classes with all Delhi-based team. I am taking classes of science, tech and environment from last 19 years. 1000 plus selection happened in the civil service examinations. Two of my books are published on the McGraw-Hill. The one is on science and tech and second is on environment. These are highly recommended book to all of you. This is my Telegram channel. You can see on the screen t.me/Ravi UPSC_Unacademy, where you can find out my all the PDF and a part of all the video links. It's a one-stop solution for all of you to connect with me. My Unacademy profile is unacademy.com/Ravi P Agrahari 2010. Here you can find out my plus iconic subscription courses. A part of many free courses are also available. My code is Ravi UPSC, and don't forget to use this code guys. During joining any courses you will get 10% extra fees rebate. India's best educator for UPSC CSE, they all are taking your classes on Unacademy in their own live sessions. Here you can also find out my science and environment classes for all of you. UPSC CSE Mega Combat is on 17th April 2022 at 11 am. Here you people got many opportunities to gift vouchers and all. Unacademy All India Prelims mock test is going to schedule on 24th April, and there's an offline test for all of you. Here the GS and CSAT both testers are scheduled, and don't forget to join it guys. And the venues are O Rajendra Nagar and Mukherjee Nagar both. And here for the enrollment you will use the Ravi UPSC code. So it's a good opportunity to all of you before going to enter in the UPSC final examination on the 5th June. Now you people can go and give exams in the proper atmosphere as you will feel in your UPSC examination hall. The same type of mahal and everything you will get here. So kindly enroll now with the Ravi UPSC code, and the link is given below. Unacademy Lite Prelims Test Series Unacademy is providing you for 2020-22 and 2020-23. In the 6 month and 1 year subscriptions we are providing you at very nominal price. A free and comprehensive interview guidance program for UPSC CSE 2021 is running now, and those people are eligible for this 2021 interviews. So you people can join it. It is freely available for all of you. So finally we are here into the discussion of science and technology based topic alternative to sugars. My simple question is guys, why people are taking the sugars? So I'm very sure you people know very well it is for taste. It is for taste. But you know what is negative with the taste guys? High calorie. High calorie. High calorie is not good. In this case a part of taste. So this is the reason guys, if you see kids, everyone even loves sugar most, taste. If I'll give you one of the alternatives, like taste will be sweet, but calorie will be low. Of course, this is the options as a case of alternative to sugars. Alternative to sugars are giving you sweet taste but low calorie. This is the concept of alternative to sugars. Somehow you can see it is non-nutritive. Reason, if calorie value is low, so in that case it's not nutrition. It is not nutritious for all of you guys. So ultimately it will give you a taste but no calorie. In this case you will not get energy. There are two set of alternative sweeteners. The one is artificial sweetness category, and second is a sugar replacers categories. So what about the artificial sweetness and what about the sugar replacers? I'll explain every concept here. If you go into the categories of alternative sweetness, there are three categories of alternative of sweetness. Those are developed. The one is artificial sweetness. Artificial sweeteners are kind of chemical substances. These chemical substances you do the mixing into various compositions. maintain at some pressure and temperatures, make a dry powder, something capsules, and then you can use it. And these type of sweeteners, they will give you the sweet taste but low calorie. So it's entirely synthetic sweeteners, and a lot of the lists are given there. And these all the sweeteners, it may be a good question in your paper, maybe UPSC give you choice. Among these artificial sweetener is /R. Remember guys, aspartame, saccharine, neotame, alitamate, acesulfame, sucralose, tacotase, alitamate, cyclamate. Aspartame UPSC already has in 2011 prelims. So those students are really serious aspirant and they follow me. 2011 to 21 question paper I have spoken you earlier. So definitely aspartame based question you will get directly. Herbal sweeteners, that's some of the plants. Those are giving you a sweet taste but calorie level is very high, and that plant is called as a stevia. Stevia is also popular as a name of sugar tulsi. So it's a herbal sweetness, means a leaf, plant's leaves you can use as a sweetening agents, and calorie level is very high. Sugar replaces kind of sugar alcohols. What are the sugar alcohols? Those fruit and vegetable based sweetening agent available. Those sweetening agent available in the fruit and vegetables, these are the kind of alcohols. These are sugar alcohols, and sugar alcohols, these sweetening agents are also the part of sugar content, and these are popularly called as sugar replacers. Here you can see some of the information like diet soda is a good or bad. Actually diet soda I just brought as a miscellaneous topic to all of you. Even my topic is the artificial sweetness, but still in the case of cold drinks, if you see guys, generally people are using aspartames. Okay, I just brought some miscellaneous topic for all of you as diet soda is good or bad. I'll tell you guys the diet soda is very bad. Diet soda means what? It's a calorie is very low. You know, zero diets, diet. In that way it is very dangerous. Even you know when the first 10 minutes you will consume. So those phosphoric acid available into the diets, cokes or anywhere guys, these are not good for your teeth guys, the one part. In the next 20 minutes what happen guys? Insulin surge occurs in the body. And this is the reason guys, there is a problem to have a diabetes type of issues to a person those are consuming the diet soda. Increase the BP and even the occurrence of heart diseases are possible. In 40 minutes, caffeine and the aspartame level, those are available into diet cokes. They short term arousals and improve the mood. One side, they are boost up your mood. But second side guys, the bloodstream that the overexcites the receptors of neuron in the brain that damage the neuron cells. So this is also not dangerous. After certain time they start to damage the neuron cells. And in 60 minutes, you know what will come there? Your body will lack a sugar. And finally you will be hunger and you have need a regular meal. Ultimately this type of foods will make you hungry. This type of food will make you thirsty. This type of food will make you diabetic or diseases. This type of food may damage your neuron cells. So ultimately everywhere have negative role. Only for a short period of time you can get it, like your mood is going to improve, but ultimately it is not safe at every level. So here I just hint you guys, like this type of food items are not safe for anyone. The most common artificial sweetness, those we are using is aspartame. Aspartame is an artificial sweetness. It contains two amino acids. The one is the aspartic acid and second is the phenylalanine, and these would two combined with a methyl group. This is a chemical composition and it is prepared into the laboratory guys. So two amino acids, aspartic acid and phenylalanine, when combined with the methyl group of chemistry, they'll become as aspartame. It is a 200 times sweetener than normal sugars. So aspartame is a 200 times sweetener than normal sugars. But one thing more guys, in the case of aspartame is not safe for a person if a person is suffering with a phenylketonuria disease. Phenylketonuria disease if happened, so it is not safe. In the case of phenylketonuria guys, phenylalanine is not safe, and here in the case of aspartame we are going to take a phenylalanine. So this is the reason in that diet coke, if you are taking a diet coke, next time you just check guys, if aspartame is used inside, so already on the wrapper bottle is written there, a person those are suffering with the phenylketonuria, it is not safe for you. Reason, phenylalanine amino acid in the case of phenylketonuria disease is poison, and that is the reason it should be, a person should be avoid this aspartame, it is not safe. And even on the wrapper is also mentioned there, this diet coke is also not safe for the children. So ultimately this artificial sweetness, how it is dangerous, you people understood very well. Even whenever you people consume the aspartame, guys, in the diet coke or somewhere, guys, sugar free mithai that is available in the market, it will damage your brains, irreversible brain damage, guys. Even both amino acids like phenylalanine and aspartic acid, okay, fine, they will do breakdown inside your body and generate energy, but side by side those methyl group available, when methyl group is going to be oxidized inside your body in the presence of oxygen, it will react, it form methanol, it form formaldehyde and acids, that all the substance, even methanol, formaldehyde, CO2, everything is toxic for your body. And consumption of aspartame is also been identified. It is responsible to cause different types of disease like fibromyalgia syndrome, like multiple sclerosis symptoms, dizziness, headaches, a lot of the menstrual problems in the females. These all things even identified through the help of aspartame. Some other artificial sweetener list even given here, like sucralose, acesulfame K, saccharin. These are not metabolized into the body. Not metabolized means whenever you are consuming it, they are not going to digest inside your body for energy generation. Even aspartame is going to digest inside your body as for energy generation. In the case of aspartame, you will get energy, even overall very less energy. But sucralose, acesulfame K and saccharin does not metabolize into the body. And that's why they are only used to give a sweet taste, but not for calorie. Even saccharin, that yellow wala dabba, Dadaji wala sugar free, generally have a saccharin compound. Even earlier the saccharin was banned totally in US. It is also the artificial sweetener, guys. But later on for the human consumption, this FDA has given the license. FDA, Food and Drug Administration, USA, guys. So all the food-based products and everything should be allowed for the human consumption or not. In US, FDA certify this. But one thing more, guys, whenever the saccharin, cold drink type of things, if saccharin is available, if you take with the smoke, people are taking this smoke and cold drink type saccharin available, so it is responsible for the bladder cancer, guys. In that case, become very poisonous and very dangerous for the human life. What about the second category is called herbal sweeteners. Herbal sweeteners, stevia, and somebody is even in India, they know very well. If somebody is at your house are suffering with the diabetes, so the people are growing the stevia plants, and this leaf they can use as a sweetening agent. Just put the leaf into the water, boil this water, all the sugar ingredients of leaf will enter into the water, and now you can make a tea and coffees. Okay, but even you just be clear, guys, in US it is not allowed, so that's why people are not using. So this is the reason here I can tell you some mixed opinion with the researchers with the stevia, but in stevia in India people are using it. The third category is the sugar replacers. Sugar replacers, I spoken you guys, it is a sugar alcohol. It is a kind of sugar alcohols. And these are those sugar alcohol which are naturally available into fruit and vegetables. Fruit and vegetables as a sweetening agents. Fruit and vegetables as a sweetening agent. You know, fruit and vegetable are also sweets. And those sweetening agents, they are sweet. Here the reason is sugar alcohol. They provide calories, but fewer than their carbohydrate like sugars. Sugar replaces it some amount of energy. This is the reason also called as a nutritive sweeteners. Here the energy level is not totally zero. Even some amount of energy is there with the help of the sugar content. But calorie value is low. And that is the reason even in the case of diabetes, people can also take it because diabetic person also need some amount of sugar content. And see, I told you guys, they occur naturally in the fruit and vegetables. But they are not very dangerous. One thing more in the case of sugar replacers, guys, they absorb very slowly in the human body as comparison to normal sugar that we people consume. And sugar alcohol even also creates some amount of side effects like gases, abdominal discomfort, diarrhea, but not that level of things. That is very, very dangerous like artificial sweetness. There are various examples of sugar alcohol. Those are using in many food items, even orbits, those orbit chewing gums you are taking, jam, jellies, cookies. That sugar replaces even using erythritol, isomalt, lactitol, maltitol, mannitol, sorbitol, xylitol. You know, all suffix is used with the all carbohydrates. All carbohydrates. So it was an entire about the all type of sugar contents, and I discussed with you guys lot of the problem those are possible in the case of different types of sweetness. And at last I'll tell you guys regarding all this PDF, you people can go and download this PDF from the telegrams. Every PDF available there. Apart of all the video link, I also share here. My Unacademy profile is unacademy.com/Ravi P Agrahari 2010, where you can find out my plus classes and a part of iconic courses available. And plus, guys, my all the special classes, those are free for all of you. It is also available here. My code is Ravi UPSC. During joining any course, if you are using it, you will get extra 10% fees discount. Iconic subscription, I'll advise to all of you guys, if you are going to join any courses on Unacademy, So I'll advise you go and join the Iconic subscriptions. In the case of Iconic subscriptions, one of the mentorship you will get it, and a mentor will help you in the case of through live session also. How to write, what to write, study planning, everything, even through the help of mentor through live session you can get this help. Even in this case of Iconic subscription, you will also get the opportunity through open house you can connect with your educators. Unacademy subscription for the Plus and Iconic both are available. Not only for general studies, even optional courses also available. And here you can get 10% extra discount whenever you people are using Ravi UPSC code. And 0% EMI, even Unacademy is providing you guys if you have a dream of UPSC and you have a financial problems. So 0% EMI, even loan facilities Unacademy is also providing you. These are my courses, those are running right now on Unacademy, Science and Tech and Environment. And these two courses are very, very important for all of you. Around 30 plus questions in your examinations are coming from these two questions. So these two subjects play a very important role in your prelims examinations. And here I'll definitely like to help you through the help of my books that you people already following me. Even highly selling both this time in India and very popular and very successful book of Science, Tech and Environment right now. And both two books of mine, Dr. Ravi Grace published on the McGraw-Hill. Those I will advise to all of you, please read it carefully. And Ravi UPSC is my code, guys. During joining any courses, use it. UPSC CSE next batch is going to start from 20th April 2020-22. It's a bilingual Hindi, English and every medium. The classes are available. And Unacademy to crack IAS has a good feedback and test rating. Everywhere have a best rating in India. And we are different with other institution, other materials, contents and all. Because we are providing with all the comprehensive notes, interview guidance, daily answer writing practices, live mentorships in that cases. And at last, I'll tell you guys, kindly subscribe the channel, like and share this video and download this video from the Telegram group. So thank you everyone for your kind attention. Meet you in the next class again with some new topics that will be relevant for your examinations. Bye. God bless you. Jai Hind.